Sugarcane, primarily cultivated for its juice, from which sugar is processed. Sugarcane crop thrives best in hot sunny tropical areas. Areas with high rainfall, or good irrigation, are best suited for sugarcane cultivation. Sugarcane can be successfully raised on diverse soil types, ranging from sandy soils to clay loams and heavy clays. However, a well-drained, deep, loamy soil is considered ideal for sugarcane cultivation. Sugarcane is propagated primarily by the planting of cuttings. The sections of the stalk of immature cane used for planting are known as seed cane or cane sets and have 2 or more buds, usually 3. Under paired row planting, 24,002 budded sets or 16,003 budded sets plants are required for planting 1 acre of land. Row-to-row spacing varies 90 to 120 centimeters, depending on the soil texture. Partial hilling up of soil against crop rows is done when the cane crop starts rapid growth at the age of 3 to 4 months. Tillering, or sprouting, at the base of the plant takes place, and each original seed cane develops into a number of growing canes. Older leaves are removed to avoid attack of insect pests. The lowest temperature for good cane plant growth is about 20 degrees Celsius. The cane plants are also tied to prevent lodging of the canes as they grow. Sugarcane crop is also infested with weeds in the furrow areas, especially in the initial stages of growth. Weeding, still largely manual, is done with a hoe. Fertilizers are applied to sugarcane from the beginning of planting through the whole growth cycle, but not during the ripening period. Optimum amounts of fertilizers vary greatly with soil types, climatic conditions, and the kind and length of the growing cycle. Hence, it is important that these nutrients are appropriately supplied through application of the right fertilizer at the right time. Fungus, bacteria, and virus cause diseases to sugarcane crop. Sugarcane requires regular irrigation at different stages. Provide shallow wetting with 2 to 3 centimeters depth of water at shorter intervals in the initial stage. During the later stages of tillering, grand growth, and maturity phases, the irrigation intervals can be increased to 8 to 10 days. Harvesting and milling begin in the dry, relatively cool season of the year and last for 5 to 6 months. Early varieties have to be harvested at 10 to 11 months age. When the cane becomes mature, a growing point at the upper end of the stalk develops into a slender arrow, bearing a tassel of tiny flowers. Sugarcane is usually 3 to 4 meters high and about 5 centimeters in diameter. The average yield of cane stalk is 60 to 70 tons per hectare per year.